So now recording started. Fake fingerprint detection. The main potential threat for fingerprint-based systems are attacking the communication channel, including replay attack and other things. This we already discussed. Then the fake fingerprint detection, the feasibility of the last type of attack is reported for the researchers. They show how actually the possible to spoof some fingerprint recognition system. Spoof fingerprint recognition system with well-made fake fingertips created with collaboration of fingerprint owner or from latent fingerprint. Okay. In later cases, the procedure is more difficult, but it's still possible. So we have fake fingerprint detection. So what are the different things are possible? Latex, silicone, gelatin. So this is how to make fingerprint, fake fingerprint using gelatin, silicone, latex, using rubber. Fake fingerprint detection, it is based on two different things. One is called skin distortion. Distortion is nothing but it is changing. Okay. Skin distortion analysis or door analysis. Odor analysis. Odor analysis. Odor means the smell will be coming based on the sweating from the finger. So real finger smell will be coming. The fake finger, it will not come. For same skin, like skin distortion, also same thing. Advanced technology, as a fingerprint technology matures, variations in the technology also increase, including optical. Finger is scanned on a patent, glass, plastic, or casted glass, plastic, everything. That is the another technology available. Silicon uses silicon chip to read the capacitance value of the fingerprint. There are two types of this: active capacitance, passive capacitance. Active capacitance and passive capacitance in the silicon. The fingerprint technology measures variations in the technology also increase, including optical. Finger is scanned on the patent using glass, plastic, coated, and other type of things also they are using. Silicon also using in the new technology for scanning of fingerprints. Chip read the capacitance value of the fingerprint. There are two types of that: active capacitance and passive capacitance. Okay. Ultrasound requires a larger scanning device. It is appealingly because it can be better permanent and threat is also ultrasound is also used in the advanced technology. Okay. Changes of fingerprint data. So it is over the period of time, we have that some changes will be occur in the fingerprint data. The biometric measurements tend to have larger intra-class variability. That is also possible. Okay. The matching accuracy of fingerprint biometric authentication system relies on stability, that is permanence. For example, you have fingerprint, how long it will be used. So lifelong it should be used. So that is things over time. the biometric data associated with individual over time. In reality, however, the biometric data captured from an individual is susceptible to change. Susceptible to change. By accident, it will be changed. Introduced due to improper interaction with the scanner. So even though you have a biometric available, over the period of time, it will be changed due to improper the sensor, partial fingerprint, changes in the pose during the face image, modifications in the sensor characteristics, maybe optical versus solid state, variation in the environmental factor, dry weather, resulting in the faint fingerprint, and temporary alteration in the biometric trained itself. Okay, cuts and scare on fingerprints. So a lot of things are also possible with the fingerprint technology. So these things will be change the fingerprint data. What are the different things? The question may be, what are the different factors? List any 3 factors which is changing the fingerprint data. List any 3 factors which are changing fingerprint data. Okay, what is going to be change the fingerprint data? Some of the factors, 3 or 4 factors. List some factors. So what are the different factors are possible? The factors are possible with, in reality, however, the biometric data accrued from an individual, maybe due to some changes in the scanner, partial fingerprint, changes in the pose, changes in the pose. Okay. All students are listening my voice. Okay. So for example, we have the improper interaction with the sensor, partial fingerprints, change in pose during the face image acquisition. That is also one of the things with the fingerprint matching. Okay. Modifications in sensor characteristics like a optical, solid state fingerprint sensor, variation in the environment, maybe dry weather. During summer, some of the time the fingerprint machines may not be working. That is also some of the dry weather resulting faint fingerprint. Faint means the pattern will not be appearing properly due to some problem. Temporary alteration in the biometric trained itself, like cut, scare, wound, also affect the fingerprint data. In other words, fingerprint measurements tend to have the larger intra-class variability. Intra-class variability. Thus, it's possible for store the template data to be significantly different from those obtained during the authentication, resulting in an inferior performance, higher false reject of biometric system. That is more important for change of fingerprint. Okay. It is possible for store the template data to be significantly different from those obtained during the authentication is more important. Higher false reject also possible of biometric system. Evaluation of fingerprint technology. There are 2 categories of fingerprint matching technique: minutia based, correlation based. Generally 2 technology. So write essay on evaluation of fingerprint technology. Okay. So we have the technologies are two type of technology. There are two type of fingerprint technology. Important question. Here you have minutia based technology techniques. Okay. In this technique, there are two category of technique: minutia based, correlation based. Minutia based, first find a minutia point. You know how many minutia available? 12 that we already studied in chapter 2. Then map the relative placement on the fingerprint. Second one, correlation based method. In the correlation based method, okay, the second one is a correlation based method. In the correlation based method, okay, so 2 minutes.